Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, we're going to do a little video. We got a little bit of snow here, so we're going to do a comparison of before and after the impeller kit. I did try to make this video the last snowfall we had, but I accidentally, as soon as I set the camera up, I turned my back and it fell over and I recorded the snow for the whole video. So this is round 2. So we're going to get everything set up and then get a video going. Alright guys, seems to be working really good. Take you guys over here and we'll get it down the driveway. Hopefully I don't break my tripod like I did last time. I jammed it down in the snow and snapped the legs off of it. Had to repair it. Well, folks, I've made a vast improvement, I would say. I don't know if you guys can see over there, but I was hitting all the way to the fence over there. And all the way, when I was doing the driveway, I was hitting all the way on those trees over there. I used to not even be able to make it halfway there. So we'll get a video of the side-by-side of the before and after the Impeller Kit installation. And you guys can see with your own eyes, you know, the difference it makes. And we will be getting on this real soon here. I did get a bunch of parts in for it. And our first video on this is going to be taking the carbs off and assessing the damage. And I want to put all the pieces on it first just to see if I have everything to actually make this back into a bike. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.